We are going to do mukbang. With a mukbang getting out of the joke.
Go.
Not gonna study.
Just watch me, okay? Eating go.
I don't need to watch you. I'm eating. Wait, one day let's do the ramen challenge, okay?
Oh, let's do.
Yeah.
Double spicy, not this normal.
Okay. And also, pani puri challenge.
Okay. Pani puri, I think I cannot do it, but I can do it.
Why?
Because made the good people in the inner. I can try it. Yeah.
And before I leave to Nepal, I need to make more video and then upload
With us. With us.
Yeah, and upload later.
She's using us. She's here to use us to make money.
And later when I finish, I will tell you.
Okay. 50% income.
50? Oh my god.
People do want mukbang more. If you
Yeah.
do hashtag mukbang. Okay?
Oh.
Don't forget hashtag. And there is no hashtag.
When you are going to eat?
I'm eating. It's spicy.
I think we need to wear headphones so the voice will be more clear. Should we? Pause.
Background music level. I like this music. It's a bit
Hope I
hard.
don't get copyright.
It's hard background capitalism.
Sometimes they will give copyright.
Because I'm singing, it will be no copyright.
They will give copyright for any song. You're enjoying the wine. Stomach meditation.
Yeah, if you have to do for something about us, you should go to your channel.
Yeah. It's gonna be
Your channel, your Instagram story.
I just don't even tell This is Mukbang the diligent.
Lapchi and the gratis.
Chalo check a little. 남성 인페티드. 이런 게 됐어요.
언제 개포사는 네발도 먹고 I'm getting old because I hate silver jubilee. Silver jubilee.
Means 25.
After that, life changed. Yeah.
If you are saying that silver jubilee is getting old, then why do you talk about the 80s and 90s?
There is reverse. When we are in 1780, it's 0807. When we are 25, we are 52.
We feel like 50.
Yeah. Looks like we are carrying 50 kg every day.
No, I don't. 되게 인생 내버리 시도라. 좋아하잖아. 아니 가장 그 많이 써비가
예쁘네.
나중에 또 야지 성분은 게 정확히 줄여야
그것도 센시티브예요? 아니면 노란색이에요? 센시티브예요? 아니 인쇄된 진짜란
아니게 말하는 것도 있어요. 제가 남보다 그 인생
Well, you did. Whenever I do, I get the blister.
하늘지 먹자.
I do myself on my own face.
소주보다 개 반대지.
Actually, I can feel it. I can feel it.
나랑 그만 깜깜이 아마 신나고 나서.
But whenever I get migraine and headache, I do myself.
마테마틱 하기도 나. 아이고 아마 심으신 나. Then who will go and eat this? 그 체가 이상하대.
I'm enemy of lovers.
If you do like this, they are going to give comments. That's fine. There is one comment. It says like, you are from pure Tibetan, then why you are mixing the language?
Damn.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Flexible people. Flexible bro. Bro, or sis, whatever. This is 21st century.
They write like, you are pure, you are Khamba, but you are mixing the language.
Learning language, speaking multiple languages. This is talent. But 21st century. Before people, if they speak more than one like this, then they will consider this scholar.
Yeah.
We're a scholar, literally. It's just that pretty like something.
We used to say like Ramalu means this.
No, your brain is down. Ramalu with negativity. Kapan is? Yeah, takut. We are so many things to eat. We are so many things.
Ah, 자동차.
I love it and I just keep it.
I like to do that. Enjoy the life. 나랑 라면 사라요. 아이 좋아.
Tapi ni dah ada okey. Baru kita negatif. Baru kita negatif tadi. Itu pun aku tahu.
혼나 먹고 있대.
Mula mangkuk ni macam
어디 정말 주워져 어려운데.
Mesti cipulah.
민망할 거봐. 민망한 거다.
Oh. Continue. No break.
왜?
Cinta gimana?
추워는 주신 브레이크 주신.
Breakfast break? Macam mana Cici kan breakfast selesai dah? Tapi lunch break.
No, lunch break. No breakfast break.
And when do you guys meet? It is Nepali style.
네팔리 중에 사람이라.
We eat something in between 8 to 7 to 8, like tea,
Oh.
some Nepali noodle, some and then after that we eat lunch. Around 10, 9
And dinner?
and snacks we eat around 12.
My, in bedroom you are eating so much. Like, they are saying like you don't eat breakfast.
And then we eat dinner.
Dinner at what?
7, 8. Any snacks we eat chow mein, momo. Lunch is day lunch.
Dinner?
Day lunch.
Mm-hmm.
In Nepali house we eat day lunch, but in my house we eat fruit tea, sometimes like corn sometimes what is that? Jenggo, bakudi, different things that we do not eat. But in Nepali people love breakfast rice, lunch rice, evening snacks rice,
Really?
they can eat fried rice in the morning, and then they eat around 8 to 9, 9 to 10 the lunch. And after we were young, we last now, 2 to 3 they make fried rice, they eat sauto, and rice. And konta and they done. Rice is favorite.
Yeah. Only you are.
They eat Christmas rice and Christmas veggies and Christmas dal.
Oh.
I don't like that.
Oh. Forest rice there.
Dal bhat pav, 20 hours.
Oh, I finished. Last 5.
2 bites.
What are you doing there? After dinner? Yeah, bro. I'm still doing it. Me too.
I'm cleaning everything.
Don't clean like this restaurant.
Looks like I'm collecting our money. I don't want to leave 1 cent.
1 cent.
Yeah. Today, sometimes I come. I mean, I like that.
Mother, mom's washing.
I prefer I don't.
Hindi ma-insip at mo. Mata-mata ni Shibe, hindi mo mo. Amante. Kamu sekali.
Lita, it's good for you.
Lupa.
That's it. ramen.
I'm a bit low. Oh.
And you can say chicken. You say about berbagai kita test di sini.
I saw someone.
She saw her boyfriend. Oh my god! Oh my god! I need to make a video. Just a moment. How do I make it to the other side? She went somewhere, but I don't know where did she go. And she, it looks like she met her boyfriend. How do I put it?
깨비도 참아주고 말지 근데 이만한 상황을 하더라다 정말 아직 그래라 근데도 빠지니 그대로 되는데 거야 아직 할래 그냥 그렇지 포도처럼
I thought you got a boyfriend. You have a boyfriend. This serious even boyfriend.
No, man. He have a wife and baby.
Nowadays, there is no way.
Hey, don't say that.
Externally, yeah, internally, we know. We don't trust anybody.
And what about you?
Me, I have everyone.
Oh my god.
You guys, maybe you guys see when you connect with me. That's why so many. Jamming ke pusang mga date tahu tu.
Who make the connection?
You guys,
When?
every time. Dia datang langsung datang. Oh my god, I have so many guys. I don't know how to handle this. It's like so young.
You get the comment on this video.
Comment ni aku mat na. I will. Oh, I won't eat like this. No, it's just control. Yeah, in camera.
Like, camera in a video. I didn't know children. Don't have to like.
Yeah.
Show the
Be
nature.
yourself. And then you will get friends. Otherwise, you'll be like a right something and do like actually. I'm straight. Itu kan sana nggak ada sih. Ini sih. Oh my god.
Don't do that.
Yes.
Itu very nice to listen.
Oh.
Itu
Lama sih dia
aku bangsa. Same. Dia aku amat dulu lah. Amat dulu. Kasus 교수네. 감각이 있게 됐어요. 이 마음이 좀 분이도 땀이 좀 들고. 진짜. 아니 민이랑 강아지를 동기가 합발했어요. 아무래도 유치원에 집을 먼저 깜빡했고 나도 그거야.
Malah di memang boleh ambil yang effort sendiri sendiri. Ya, mungkin saya nanya, mungkin dibagi according to the he said like they used to phone me like hit me all other hit, but it was not good. But the day he discovered here and he came here, and I gave him medicine and gave him of course dropping and he said it was a day he did, and when he went back he is instantly started back. Now he's when he was coming. He was coming with a like one support, and his friend was carrying him like this. And when he was coming back, he was walking by himself. He was in a kibitz like that.
He came on wheelchair. Later, like he was walking, and then nowadays he
That's why last time he bring his sister.
근데 통과랑 이제 장례 직도 내지.
근데 너무 중요해. 이게 반스게 back에 accidentally 그러니까 정말 it was broken. Accidentally able to walk properly, so he has support to walk. And whenever it is raining outside, she get pain and everything. Whenever she's walking a lot, she gets pain. When every time she comes to me and I do, she goes back and she go back. Actually, I can see her back. But now she's in class.
But they have to do the technical things. kasi yang 그냥 지는 거라. 근데 팬분들 알지만
Ini dito lang sila. Pero mangko di frozen story daw, naya daw, hindi dito. Actually, I want to say it's been so long and nobody is able to change. We do treatment until now they do better, and we ask them to come for follow-up, but they never come. Only they said I'm a little better. That's why.
안 지한 제라야 나스를
I can say it. We do not at that time speak English, and we do not speak Spanish. But they come every time and they say, and we don't need to process it. And they prove it. Good. Every time they have emergency, they come to us.
They make strong massage.
Yeah. No, they have whole day. People there, like this thing, they can take it.
Yeah, they make strong massage.
They look very thin and cute and looks like very emotional person. But they can take very strong.
Yeah.
But they did. That's why they are hard to But sometimes they have to be like very small thin body, right? I think they get lots of nutrition problems and lots of other problems. There is woman sickness. Dopamine, I get fat over my body. Dopamine, and I'm gaining weight and it's not going up. Shut up. And I was like, sometimes when we have stress and stress having increased, then it's a little bit hard for us to decrease the weight. And when people have hormone imbalance, it's really difficult to lose weight. And oh my god, sometimes people are very
Do you take any medicine or treatment for weight loss?
No. I see the problem that if there is stomach problem, then it will go up.
Masih paling skill weight loss change the treatment kita tu. I think we don't have any. So diet maintain chila.
You know, weight gain is change in the something with the last time they do dieting everything, exercise. It's because inside we have hormone imbalance and liver problems. So I give them that medicine.
What do you give?
Yeah, it depends. Sometimes last time we do something about it. Even now they give so. I'm not surprised because of my that's why you get otherwise because my weight was Sada, what did you say?
I eat a lot.
If your stomach is better, I think you will lose it. He said she just prepared. It's syrup.
What are you eating?
Syrup.
Inside of?
Syrup. Ada syrup apa? So you guys are what do you think?
I think you have tasty.
That's all masa. Because your body is really cold. You can send it. It has In the afternoon, you can continue party.
I don't know about the afternoon medicine. Something.
He said that's also open. Once is a dippa, after summer.
I don't know because morning I think there's 2 medicine. So it might not be. How about the? It's been like 2 months I think.
No, maybe Tanya. This is the down way.
No, I need to change my medicine. I should be doctor by myself.
Try yourself. Kandiyamala is given. This is to read for us to know. Not been on it like this. I mean, have you ever noticed something I have a bed? I used to do like it's like here. It's because I have chakal. That chakal, chakal, chakal is headache, heart, right? So he came and said, Nini Kalina. If I had not to take the medicine, I don't. He said, I think. No, see my eyes in between these 2 eyes. One day you see a little bit down or like.
This one is strong.
Yeah, it's like because I have chakal, like now I'm very big and
I
something.
think mine is also one is big and one is small.
No, not big and small, but the ingredients is like how to say it?
Yeah, this one is down.
Yeah, so it is like it's a big one.
But mine is normal.
Yeah, your muscle is good. Yeah. Is it like
Don't make me scared.
but I'm too much better now.
Yeah.
Finished.
What are you searching for?
I'm sorry for it. Last. I think I should take this.
Where are you going to put it?
Like that.
This is good. Look, on our side. Last you are doing this one.
Have black side, black part. Can you see? And I eat this much to throw the black part.
Done.
Done for the day. Finito.
Finito. Please.
Finito. Oh, she finished coffee finally.
Finally,
Good job.
it's so beautiful.
Stop. Look.
Show me your face. No, it's small. My face.
Yeah. Time at 25. 25 minutes is that.
Me, the 30 chata is the thangi piece.
It will take so long.
Happy young and you you call it. Look what that is doing.
I think when you eat the marriage ceremony of it, silak lah ya. Macam biasa, sini lancar kita. Whenever they invite us, we need to go first to eat, not to attend the wedding. Because it takes 2 hours for us to
Thank you for watching.
Please like, subscribe.
What?
Like, subscribe, and press the bell icon and share. Sure. What do I do in sharing? You know, I send it to her. I famous send me to share and I share the paper.
So this is the share you did.
Yeah, I'm no one.
Oh my god. What a
She will
share.
send me to share and I will send her.
Wow, what a share.
Ano lang naman ito sila. Kaya story ko, story lang. Story lang. Kurdo na, please share it lang. Ngayon pa wala lang.
Okay, sige na. Ah, ito nga. Ito lang. Ito lang.